What is multitasking? Multitasking, when people performs two tasks or multiple tasks at the same time, it's possible. Really, it's true. It's possible. For example, we can watching TV at the same time. I can cooking dinner or talking on phone. But what is impossible? The impossible is that concentrating two tasks at the same time. For example, I am watching TV and at the same time I am eating my food. Either two things could happen. Either I'm eating food and background noise, TV is my background noise, or could happen I am eating my food, I am watching TV, and I even do not realize when my food is finished.